Hi, and welcome to BTMSoft. In this tutorial, we're going to set up a new business file. After you log in, simply click on Set Up New Business. Country is relevant for some settings, such as tax codes and accounts. Enter the business name of the organization you are creating. ABN is required for Australian businesses. Business type will determine some initial settings, such as chart of accounts. Owner is the ultimate admin for this business file. Owner can be changed only by us. It must be an active user. If you put someone else's address, both you and this person will be added as admin users. Phone and address can be entered and changed later in Settings, Business Details. These details will be displayed on reports such as invoices or payslips. If the business is registered for GST, click here and it will assist in entering transactions and GST reporting. Click Create, wait a few seconds, and you're ready to go.